Hello, I am Dr. Sunil Shah, Sarvamangal IVF specialist, Ahmedabad. Today I am going to explain you about diet in pregnancy. In pregnancy, you should take a balanced diet. That means in an equal proportion carbohydrate, protein and fat. Divide your whole day food into 6 to 8 parts rather than taking it into the 3 parts. Don't eat too much at the same time because you will feel lot of uncomfortably. So divide your diet into 6 to 8 parts. Take high calorie diets during the pregnancy. Avoid outside food, avoid junk food, avoid street food. Don't eat pani puri, dabeli, vada pav, bhaji pav. But if you think that you want to eat all these things, you can prepare all these things at your home and you can have it according to your convenience. You should avoid the mango, ready-made mango juice which is available when there is a season. You should avoid a sugarcane juice also which you are getting it from in the street. Avoid a watermelon which is being sold in the street and which is cut. All these things are very unhygienic. I am not telling that sugarcane juice is bad. I am not telling that watermelon is bad or mango is bad. All these fruits are good. You can eat it. It is very good. You should have different kind of food every day. Not necessarily that you eat apple every day. You can eat apple, you can eat banana, you can eat all kind of the fruits. No fruit is cold or hot. You can eat all the fruits. You will get good vitamins and nutrition from different kind of a fruit. You can take different juices every day. You can eat orange juice today, you can take pineapple juice tomorrow, guava juice, pineapple juice, apple juice, different kind of juices every day. It is always good to have a different kind of juices and fruit and diet every day. So now I will these are the guidance for the all throughout the pregnancy which you should follow. Another thing which you should follow throughout the pregnancy is drink properly. Keep yourself hydrated. Don't keep yourself dehydrated because water, simple water is also a good source of energy. And in the morning when you get up from the bed, drink 3 glasses of water. One at 7 o'clock, another at 7:30 and another third one is at 8 o'clock. You can pour a lemon into that, and by doing this all the toxins from the body will be out of your body and your body will be fresh and the constipation will also be relieved because of that. Now coming to the first 3 months. In first 3 months there is a development of a new life in the woman's body and there will be a lot of hormonal changes. So because of that, woman is having problem in selecting certain food. She likes certain things and she doesn't like certain things. Don't worry, whatever you like, eat, because we are giving you certain vitamins which is good for you as well as your body. So don't force yourself, and the family members should also not force to eat that you should take milk and all this thing, right? So but in early pregnancy you have a choose your choice voice, your nature becomes choosy. So you can eat a sour thing you like, lemon juice, whatever you want to eat, achar and all this thing you can eat, no problem, right? So but you take a high calorie food. You can eat you can have ice cream, you can have juices, you can have thick shakes. And if you are working and you have to go out for the office, then you should take along with you chocolates, cookies, water from the home and a lunch box which is a healthy food. So don't worry, after 3 months your body will get accustomed with all these hormonal changes and you will like eating normal things. Then you will able to eat the vegetables, soup, salads and all these things. After 4 months you have to prepare a calendar from Monday to Sunday. Every day you have to prepare that what I will eat in the breakfast. You can have a khakra, you can have a sandwich, you can have a bread, cheese, paneer, then you can have a normal breakfast, then you can have a lunch, in the evening breakfast what you can eat. You can take fruit slices. Then in the evening dinner should be taken early, and before going to bed you can have a milk with the protein powder, or you can have a ice cream or the thick shakes. So you prepare a calendar for the whole 7 days. So from 4 months to 9 months your calendar will be like this. So take very good care of yourself. Don't eat outside food. Take healthy foods. Drink more water, and divide your food into 6 to 8 parts. That will be good. And suppose if you have a diabetes or a blood pressure, then I will have little changes into your food, and at the time of the consultation I will explain you what changes to be done. Thank you very much. Thank you.